What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix blurry or pixelated streams when using OBS Studio. Let's start by optimizing your video settings in OBS. Open OBS Studio and navigate to your settings. From the left-hand menu, select Video. Here, you will see two important options: base or canvas resolution and output or scaled resolution. Set the base resolution to match your screen's native resolution. For most setups, it will be 1920 by 1080 or Full HD. If you're unsure of your screen's resolution, you can verify it by right-clicking on your desktop, selecting Display Settings, and looking under Display Resolution in the Settings window. Set the output resolution to the same value as the base resolution. This ensures your stream maintains the same clarity as your original display. Next, adjust the downscale filter. If this option is enabled, set it to Lanczos, sharpened scaling 36 samples. Lanczos provides the highest quality scaling for sharp and clear video. For common FPS values, select 60 FPS for smooth motion. If your system struggles with 60 FPS, you can reduce this to 30. Once you've made these changes, click Apply at the bottom to save your settings. Now let's move on to the output settings, which play a crucial role in determining the quality of your stream. In the Settings menu, select Output and change the output mode to Advanced. Then switch to the Streaming or Recording tab, depending on whether you're streaming live or recording locally. Under the encoder settings, you'll see a bitrate option. The bitrate determines the quality of your video. Higher bitrates provide better quality, but require more upload bandwidth. For most streams, use a bitrate of at least 6000 kilobits per second for 1080p at 60 FPS. If your internet connection can handle it, increase the bitrate to 8000 for sharper visuals. If you're streaming at 720p, you can lower the bitrate to around 3500, but this will reduce the overall quality. For recordings, a bitrate of 10,000 kilobits per second is a good starting point for general use. If you need higher quality recordings, increase the bitrate to 16,000 or even 20,000, depending on your system's storage capacity and performance. Keep in mind that higher bitrates result in larger file sizes. If you see CQ level instead of bitrate, remember, the lower the CQ value, the better the quality. A CQ level of 18 is a great balance for most users, offering excellent quality without excessive file sizes. For the recording format, choose MP4. This format is widely compatible with editing software and offers a good balance of quality and file size. However, keep in mind that MP4 recordings can be lost if OBS crashes mid-recording. If you want a more crash-resilient format, you can use MKV and convert it to MP4 afterward if needed. If you're not streaming or recording gameplay, you can reduce the common FPS values to 30 FPS in the video settings. This reduces the strain on your system and allows you to achieve high-quality visuals at a lower bitrate. It's ideal for less motion-intensive content like tutorials or presentations. Lastly, make sure your hardware is up to the task. Ensure your GPU drivers are up to date. Use tools like NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin to download and install the drivers. Run a speed test to check your upload bandwidth. Make sure your upload speed is sufficient for the bitrate you're using. For example, if your bitrate is 6000 kilobits per second, you will need at least 8 megabytes per second of upload speed to stream reliably. After applying these changes, test your stream or recording to ensure the quality has improved. By properly configuring your video and output settings, you should notice a significant reduction in blur and pixelation, giving you a crisp and professional-looking result. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.